Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the brand name under the warehouse in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the product master menu under the warehouse module. After clicking that, the product list page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to select the required client and enter the product code and product name. Then we have to click the submit button. Now the product details will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to click on the edit button. On this product master entry page, we have to enter the brand name in the additional info menu. Here we have to enter the brand name. Then we have to click the save changes button. Now the brand name has been added for the product. This is how to update the brand name under the warehouse in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.